Unlocking creativity with digital whiteboards.
Digital whiteboards have revolutionized the way teams brainstorm. With real-time collaboration, easy sharing, and a variety of creative tools, these platforms are ideal for sparking new ideas. Whether you're working remotely or in a hybrid setting, digital whiteboards make it easy for everyone to contribute and organize thoughts visually, making creative sessions more dynamic and effective.
Mind mapping for idea expansion.
Mind mapping is a classic brainstorming technique that benefits from the drag and drop features of digital whiteboards. Start with a central topic, then branch out with related ideas using sticky notes, shapes, or connectors. The ability to rearrange and color code ideas helps teams quickly see relationships and patterns, encouraging deeper exploration of concepts and potential solutions.
The power of brainwriting.
Brainwriting invites all participants to jot down ideas at the same time, reducing groupthink and allowing quieter voices to shine. Digital whiteboards enable this by letting users add notes privately or simultaneously. Once everyone has shared, the ideas can be displayed, grouped, or voted on, making evaluation fair and efficient without interrupting creative flow.
SCAMPER framework digitally enhanced.
SCAMPER stands for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse. On a digital whiteboard, teams can create sections for each SCAMPER prompt, then fill them collaboratively with ideas. Features like templates, comment threads, and reference images help spark fresh perspectives and guide structured, productive brainstorming.
Organizing and advancing ideas.
After generating ideas, digital whiteboards offer tools for categorizing and prioritizing. Use voting stickers to highlight favorites or move ideas into Kanban boards to plan next steps. Integrated chat and tagging functions keep discussions focused, while easy export options ensure brainstorming outcomes are documented and ready for action.